To apply what we have learned, here are some examples. In the first example here, we have 3 letters, all of them in the isolated form. And we will make a word from these 3 letters. This is the isolated form of the letter ba, the isolated form of the letter ya, and here the isolated form of the letter ta. The letter ba is the first letter, so we will write it in the initial form because it's the first letter. So this is the initial form of the letter ba. The letter ya is the second letter, so we will write this letter in the medial form. This is the medial form of the letter ya. And finally we have the letter ta. It's the last letter, so we have to write it in the final form. This is the final form of the letter ta. Now we will put them together to make our word. This is the initial form of the letter ba. It's connected to the medial form of the letter ya. And this is the final form of the letter ta. Oh, this is our word. Now we have to read this word. Well, to get the right pronunciation, we should put this sign above the letter ba. This sign is the short vowel a. To transliterate it, we will use the letter A in English. I'll explain the vowels later, but here to get the right pronunciation of this word, we should know the pronunciation or the sound of the sign a, the short vowel a. Now we will transliterate these letters. Under the letter ba, we will put the letter B. And to transliterate this sign, we will put the letter A. It's a short vowel a. And under the letter ya, we will put the letter Y. And finally, under the letter ta, we will put the letter T. Now, we will try to read this word from right to left. Bait, 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 which means house or home. House, bait. Very good.